Today, we will learn how to effectively use the STM32F446 flash memory as a reliable data storage space. The flash memory map for STM32F446 is as follows. Refer to the displayed memory map on the screen for details. This memory is divided into main memory, system memory, OTP area, and option bytes. We will utilize the first sector of the main memory as our primary data storage space. First, we modify the linker file. Here, we redefine the memory layout. The following code is displayed on the screen. Memory, RAM, XRW. Origin, $0x20000000. Length $128K flash _ storage XRW. Origin $0x80000000. Length $16K flash RX. Origin $0x80040000. Length $496K. This completes the memory layout modification. Next, we add a data storage section. Stored data will be placed in a user-defined section. The following code group is displayed. Storage, ICE, =align, 4. Storage, =align, 4. Flash _ storage. Now we write a function to store data in flash memory. The following code group is displayed // global variable for stored data, section storage, uint32_t saved data 20, hash defined sector _0 base address 0x08000000 / start address of flash _storage, uint32_t values to write to =0, void flash _write offsets, uint32_t index, uint32_t asterisk values. If index 20, hal _flash _unlock, flash _erase init type def erase init struct, type erase =flash type erase sectors, erase init struct, sector =flash sector _0, erase init struct, nb sectors =1, erase init struct, voltage range =flash voltage range 3, uint32_t sector error $0. If hal _flash x erase and erase init struct and sector error =hal OK. Error handler hal _flash lock return. For uint32_ti =0, I index I++, uint32_t address sector _0 base address plus I asterisk size of uint32_t flash write value address values hal _flash lock. And that's how you write data to flash memory. Finally, we create a function to read the stored data. This function retrieves data by array index. The code is displayed as follows. Void flash read offsets uint32_t index. If index 20, return save data index, return 0. And that's how you use the STM32F446 flash memory as a data storage space. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another exciting topic. Stay tuned.